In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to download Madden NFL on PC. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the official website of EA. From there, download the EA app for Windows and install it on your PC by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, launch the app. Sign up for EA account. If you do have an account, provide the credentials and log into your account. After logging in, go to Store tab inside the EA app and search for Madden NFL. When you find the version you want, click on it and purchase or download it if you already own it or have access to EA Play. Once you complete the purchase, the game will automatically be added to your library. Now head over to your library, click on Madden NFL and press download button. Choose your install location and wait for the game to download and install. Keep in mind that EA app must be installed because it's required to launch and play EA games on PC. Once the installation is complete, simply click play and your game will launch. If you run into issues, make sure your PC meets the system requirements and that your internet connection is stable. And that's it. This is how you can easily download Madden NFL on PC using the EA app. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.